example, A is
2,
2,
B 6,
6. Now we calculate plus D. A plus D means what you get? Calculate. A means
2,
2,
B means
D,
6,
D means
6,
6,
2
2 plus 6,
8,
8. This 8 is a second term. This 8 is a second term. It is second term. This second term in this list we denote with symbol A2. 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 How second term you get? By adding A plus D. By adding A and D. That is A plus D is A2. Plus D is A2. So here we add first term A, common difference D is added. A plus D is equal to A2. Now this is some equation. A plus D is equal to A2. This A is nothing but first term in the AP. First term in the AP. So as it is first term in AP, this A is also denoted as A1. A1. So A1 both are symbol to first term. So I will write here for A1. Then A plus D changed as A1 plus D is equal to A2. Now both sides subtract A1. That is minus A minus A1 plus A1 minus A1 get cancelled. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Then this is the equation directly telling that A2 minus A1 gives D. A2 minus A1 gives D. So these nothing but common difference. Common difference we get by subtracting A1 from A2. That is A2 minus A1. Right. Okay. Now another thing we learned here is D is equal to A plus D is equal to A2. A plus D is equal to A2. This is the second thing we learned. Now I am here. This is A2. To this A2, to this A2, to this A2, I am adding D. A2 plus D. What we have to, let's we see. A2 nothing but what number? 8. A2 is nothing but 8 plus D is nothing but D is nothing but what the D? 6. D is a 6. 8 plus 6 14. 14 is the which term in this chapter? A3. This is A3 become. That is how A3 become A2 plus D gives A3 is A2 plus D equal to A3. Again, A3 D, let me find what we get. A3 is nothing but 14
plus 6 is
6
equal
14 plus 6 is 20 equal to
A4.
A4. It is how A4 is getting A3 plus D equal to
A4.
4. A3 plus D is equal to 4. Like that, so if you study these equations, A2 plus T is equal to A3, A3 plus T is equal to A4, A plus T is equal to A2. That is first term A plus D, A2. Second term A2 plus D, A3. A3 plus D is equal to A4. Now what can you expect? What can you expect if A4 plus D is equal to, what can you expect? A can expect A5. A5 plus D equal to A6. A6 plus D equal to A7. Equations like this. In A. Now, do you understand? So, what are the equations we can expect? A plus D is equal to A2 plus D is equal to A3. A3 plus D is equal to A4. A4 plus D is equal to A5. A5 plus D is equal to A6. A6 plus D is equal to A7. Now, I will list all these equations. Once again, A plus D equal to A2. A2 plus D equal to A3. A3 plus D is equal to A4. Like that. A4 plus D is equal to A5. Like that. Like continue this process. Continue this process. We get A Suppose this is, we denote this one, an plus d is equal to
JN.
what we get.
JN. JN.
It is a4, it is 1. It is a3, we are getting a4. It is a2, it is getting a3. It is a, it is getting a2. It is an, what we get here? A,
3.
it is 4, we are getting
5.
5. That is, for this 4, 1 is adding here. How 5 is coming? For 4 plus 1. Here 4 is coming by, yes, 3 plus 1. By 3 plus 1. Here 3 is getting by adding this 2. So here what you get? Is here n is there.
N plus 1.
Here we should get n
Plus
plus
1.
understand? So in general AP an plus t we get
JN
plus
plus
1. So again if you subtract an minus an minus an, what you get? An minus an cancel.
D is equals to
D equal to
N plus 1 is equal
a n plus 1
minus AN.
minus an. This is the general formula for common difference in A. This is the general formula for common difference in AB. Common difference D AB. Understand? Now, okay. Now we try to find general terms in A. General terms in AP. What is the first term in AP? What is the symbol for first term in AP?
2. A1.
A1. A1 is the symbol for first term in AP. The first term in A1 is also another symbol. What is the symbol? A1 is to this A is added. What term you are getting?
A2.
That is A plus D is equal to A2. Again, this A to D is added. What we get?
A3.
A3. So A2 plus D is equal to A3. A2 is nothing but what we can write? A plus D. A plus D. I will draw. A2 is nothing but A plus D by previous equation. Again, this is plus D equal to A3. Equal to A3. A plus D is how much? This one? A plus D plus D makes 2D. That is A plus 2D is equal to A3. So, a third term is nothing but A plus 2D. Third term A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. The second term A2 is A plus D. The third term A3 is A plus 2D. Now we get A4. How A4 is getting? A4 is getting?
A4 plus D is equals to
Sorry.
A3
A3 plus D
is
getting
A4.
is equal to
A4.
A3. Again, see here. A3 is equal to
A plus 2D.
write A3 as
A plus
plus D. A plus 2D plus D is equal to A4. A plus add all the D's. 2D plus D.
3D.
3D equal to A4. So here what we get? New equation A plus D equal to A4. That is A4 we can find by A plus
3D.
So first term A is A1. Second term A2 is A plus D. Third term is
A
A
plus
plus
3D
2D.
is equals to A.
Fourth term is
A
A
plus
plus
3D.
3D. That is guess that first term of AB, if A1, it is A. A1 means A. The second term
A2
A2.
A plus D.
A2 means
A
A plus D. And third term A3,
A plus 2D.
we get
A plus 2D.
A plus 2D. Same way, A4 is nothing but plus 3D. So like that, we are getting the terms of the AP. The terms of the AP. These terms we call it as general terms of the AP. General terms in the AP. So generally, the terms in AP in the order A, first term A, second term A plus D, third term
A plus
plus 2D,
2D. Fourth
fourth
term
term
A plus 3D.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose I wish to write AN like A1, A2, A3, A4. I wish to write AN. Then what should I write first? First you should write
A plus B.
A plus
B.
A plus
D.
C. A2 means A plus
D.
D. D is nothing but 1D. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. If 3 is there, here 2 will come. 2 means 3 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
How 2 will get here? 3 minus 1. How 3 will get here?
4,
If it is A4 will get A plus 3D. This 3 will get 4
minus 1.
So as it is n is there, what will come here?
N minus 1.
N minus 1. But 2 minus 1 is getting here. For 3, here 3 minus 1 getting
2D.
For A4,
4
4 minus 1, 3.
3.
3D. For AN, we get minus 1 to
Into B.
this is AN is equal to what we get AN? AN is equal to we get A plus N minus 1 into D. This is a term of AB. N term of AB. Or also called a general term. General term of AB. So we can conclude that generally the terms in AP in what form? First term A, second term
A plus
A plus
1D.
second term
A plus
third
2D.
term A plus 3 fourth term
A plus 3D.
and last term
A plus N minus 1D. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1D.
now we try to do some problems based on terms of the AP. Problems on terms of the AP. For the problems, first recall sometimes the first term in AP is
A1.
A1 or common difference is D. Common difference is D. A first term, common difference D. Common difference is D can be calculated by AN minus AN plus 1 where N general terms in the AP are A plus T, A plus 2D, a plus 3d like that. The last term is a plus n minus 1d. The terms in AP. Terms in AP. A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus n minus 1d are the terms in the AP. These things we have to remember to do the problems. Now check that the given numbers are in AP or not. You can check the given numbers are in AP. Check. Check. Two, 4, 8, 16, so on. Check the list of numbers 2, 4, 8, 16 is in AP or not. If it is in AP, it is in AP, find common difference. Find common difference. And next 4 terms. Next 4 terms. This is the problem. First, what the numbers list given number list? What the given number list?
2,
Given number list 2, 4, 8, 16. Now check it is AP or not. When it is AP or not, how we can check? First note, first term. What is the first term? First term A is equal to how much? 2. Second term, what the second term?
A is equals to 4.
A2 equal to 4. And in the list how term? A3 equal to
6, 8, 8.
8. And fourth term
Therefore, is equal
A4 equal to 60. Now with these four terms, I have to tell it is AP. Now make the subtraction of A2 minus, understand? Make the subtraction of A2 minus A. A minus A, let me see how much you get. A2 means 4
minus A means
minus A means 2. 4 minus 2. 2. Now make the minus for A3 and A2. It is A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. 8 minus 4. It is 8 minus 4
answer
is A4.
next A4 minus A3
Now A4 minus
A3
A3.
16 minus
16 minus
8
8. It is 8.
8
All the results of these three subtractions. The first result of subtraction 2, second subtraction 4, third subtraction 8. If these subtractions are getting numbers, different numbers, it means the given numbers in the list are not A, are not AB. Get A2 minus A, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 are different numbers.